Getting the Meta AI update on WhatsApp is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can get Meta AI update on WhatsApp. Well, the process is very simple. For that, you simply have to go to the App Store. Then simply in the App Store search for WhatsApp. Now if you're using a WhatsApp business, just search for WhatsApp business. Now here you just have to make sure if it is updated. Once it is updated, you will get the Meta AI option or the Meta AI chat in your chat of WhatsApp. So I currently cannot show you because of some security reasons. Well, there is another factor as well that you may not be getting Meta AI because Meta AI, the WhatsApp feature of Meta AI is only limited to some regions, and some regions does not have access to that feature. So if you cannot see that feature, which means your region does not support that Meta AI thing on WhatsApp. You just have to wait until your region gets that feature. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.